Welcome to our Rolling Strong video library, a series designed to help you maintain a better life on the road.
Hi guys, Coach Dawn again. Today I want to talk about 13 amazing superfoods for diabetics. But first, let's talk about diabetes and our diet. Modern times have made amazing advances to make our lives easier. Unfortunately, the modern diet has gotten much worse. Our weight creeps up every year and we can't figure out exactly why. So many products claim to be healthy, but are processed, chemically altered, and full of sugar. Plus, we're surrounded by fast food and soda that's so easy to get. As our weight increases, we develop insulin resistance, so our bodies can't even use the insulin that we have. This is why the world is seeing a rise in diabetes. Over 400 million people in this world have diabetes, and hundreds of thousands more are pre-diabetic and don't even know it. Lots of these are even children. High blood sugar is wreaking havoc on our bodies. A diet high in processed foods, animal fat, and sugar leads to diabetes, heart attack, high blood pressure, stroke, dementia, and claudication. That's a disease of the blood vessels in the legs. In contrast, a diet rich in healthy proteins, plants, and healthy fats lowers blood sugar level because it has lots of fiber, which is crucial for diabetics in lowering blood sugar levels. Our bodies need a form of sugar called glucose in the blood to feed our cells. The problem is diabetics need to avoid spikes in blood glucose, as too much glucose in the blood can cause serious problems and disease. It damages the tissues of the body. It can be hard to achieve this balance of your glucose levels in the blood if you don't know what to eat. There's something called the glycemic index score that can help. The glycemic index measures how the food will increase blood sugars on a scale from 0 to 100. Below 55 is low, 56 to 59 is medium, and 70 and up is high on the scale. If you want to feel full, the low glycemic food is the way to go. Not only will it not spike the blood sugar levels, it will help you feel full longer due to its high content of fiber. Again, fiber is the key here. It's the key to success. And if you want to fill up while keeping calories low, go for fruits and vegetables. Plant-based food has fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. There are 3 kinds of fiber. The first kind of fiber, diabetics need all 3 of these kinds. The first kind is called soluble fiber. This slows down absorption of glucose and lowers cholesterol. Pretty good stuff. The second kind is insoluble fiber. This is the roughage that provides bulk and regularity. The third kind is resistant starch. Technically, it's a carbohydrate that acts like a fiber. The starch doesn't provide many calories and it won't raise blood sugars. It's resistant to stomach acid and digestive enzymes, so the small intestines can't digest it, just like fiber. You'll find resistant starch in old-fashioned oats, beans, legumes, and green bananas. I'm going to talk about that more later. Now I'd like to tell you about 13 diabetic superfoods to combat high blood sugar. Many of these foods are scientifically proven to lower blood sugar levels and help improve insulin resistance. Let's talk about the first food, whole grain brown basmati rice. You say rice? Rice is normally a no-no for anyone watching their blood sugars or trying to lose weight because most rice is packed with carbs. However, brown basmati rice has the lowest glycemic index of all rice with a GI range of 50 to 58 because it has 20% more fiber than other types of rice. The extra fiber in basmati rice makes it healthy and a healthy choice for diabetics. But there's even more to this great rice. The real secret is the resistant fiber, the resistant starch. Resistant starch also helps you feel full for longer, so you don't need as much food at that meal. It also has more nutrients than other rice types. It has more B vitamins and the minerals copper and magnesium. Now, let's go into our second superfood, yogurt. You can improve blood sugar control with yogurt. It has protein, has probiotics to enhance your gut health. Good gut health improves overall health. Recent research has shown that eating yogurt lowers blood glucose and insulin resistance. Be sure to buy unsweetened yogurt though, and add fruit at home. Another way to supercharge your yogurt is to add that green banana powder for its resistant starch to really slow down that glucose absorption. Superfood number 3, whole grain oats or steel cut oats, not instant. For years we've heard about the benefits of eating these old-fashioned oats, the full grain version. It lowers cholesterol and blood sugar levels. The positive effects are no doubt the fiber, but oats also contain B-glucans, which lower blood sugar levels in 4 ways. They reduce glucose and insulin response after meals. They improve insulin sensitivity and glycemic control. And they reduce blood lipids, that's fat in the blood. Oats are also anti-inflammatory. Now, superfood number 4, apples. Apples are filling, full of fiber, and loaded with polyphenols, a compound that slows the digestion of carbs and lowers blood sugar. They can also help lower insulin resistance. Superfood number 5, eggs. Eggs have a glycemic index of 0, so they are the perfect breakfast or snack for a diabetic. They are also a complete protein, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. They're also loaded with other vitamins and minerals. So what about the fat, you say? Well, eggs only have 1.5 grams of saturated fat apiece, and the cholesterol in 1 egg a day is safe for most people. Studies have shown lower rates of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases of people that eat 1 egg a day. All right, so let's go on to our next superfood. Our next superfood is salmon. Number 6 is salmon. The healthy fat in salmon lowers blood sugar levels. The high omega-3 content in all fatty fish fights inflammation, which protects you from disease and the negative effects of high blood sugars. Salmon also has an antioxidant that gives it its pink to red tone. This antioxidant works with the omega-3s to further protect your brain and nervous systems from inflammation. It also reduces the oxidation of bad cholesterol, and that lowers your risk for heart disease. So eat some salmon, good stuff. All right, number 7, nuts. Nuts are the perfect snack. They can go anywhere. They're full of protein, fiber, and healthy omega-3s, vitamin E, and various vitamin Bs, and a long list of minerals. Almonds are rich in vitamin C, zinc, and monounsaturated fats, and are very filling and suppress your sweet tooth. Studies have shown that eating nuts significantly lowers fasting blood sugars and hemoglobin A1C, which is a marker for long-term blood glucose control. It's good to get a mix of nuts because different ones have different benefits. Walnuts have an essential fatty acid that lowers cholesterol and boosts heart health. Both walnuts and Brazil nuts lower cholesterol thanks to their polyunsaturated fatty acids and their high fiber content. Again, the fiber. Superfood number 8, avocados. Avocados are full of healthy fat, so they are very filling. They're full of fiber, 20 different vitamins and minerals, and they lower blood sugar levels. More and more studies are finding that avocados reduce blood sugar levels and prevent metabolic syndrome. Avocados also lower cholesterol with a compound called sterols, plus the fat in avocados helps you absorb fat-soluble vitamins better. All right, on to our next superfood, number 9, broccoli and its sprouts. Broccoli has always been known as one of the most nutrient vegetables, 70% of our daily vitamin C, plus magnesium, fiber, and iron. It has an added bonus of fighting high blood sugar levels that comes from a chemical called sulforaphane, present in both broccoli and its sprouts. Studies have shown that sulforaphane improves insulin resistance and protects against cell damage of the blood vessels, a problem that plagues many diabetics. Superfood number 10, berries. Berries are little powerhouses of healthy benefits. They prevent inflammation and disease, help your skin stay young and healthy, and provide a sweet treat without the sugar spike. Berries are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they improve blood sugar levels. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries also benefit blood sugar management and improve insulin sensitivity and glucose clearance from the blood. 11, leafy greens. Leafy greens are one of the healthiest foods you can eat. Leafy greens are non-starchy vegetables with less digestible carbs than other vegetables. Both spinach and kale are very high in vitamin C. Spinach offers fiber and a host of vitamins and minerals. Another bonus of leafy greens is the glycemic index score of 0, so you can fill up on them. A recent scientific study confirmed that eating a cup of greens a day greatly reduces your risk for developing type 2 diabetes and also treats the symptoms. It doesn't matter if the leafy greens are cooked or raw, you still get the same benefits. They are also high in magnesium, which makes a big difference in diabetics, as they were often deficient in magnesium. All right, our next to last superfood, number 12, flaxseed powder. Flax seeds are a mega health booster for your heart and blood sugar levels. Flaxseed is full of protein, fiber, and magnesium, a mineral that is the key to good blood sugar control. Studies show that eating 7 ounces of flaxseed powder in yogurt daily leads to a significant reduction in A1C. You can get benefits of eating the seeds, but it's even better to consume flaxseed powder so you can absorb the most nutrients. You can make a huge impact in your health and blood sugar levels by mixing a little flaxseed powder into your food every day, such as you can put it in yogurt, baked goods. You can use it as a crust for a fish. Flax seeds are also anti-inflammatory and protect against cancer and diseases. Number 13, last one, beans and lentils. Hugely important. Beans are your blood sugar's best friend. They have a high amount of slowly digestible resistant starch, insoluble fiber, and soluble fiber. They have all 3. And all these slow down your digestion and improve blood sugar response. One study showed eating a serving of beans instead of rice resulted in a 35% reduction in risk for prediabetes. Beans are packed with nutrients such as magnesium, fiber, and protein, all of which balance and lower blood sugar levels. Adding black beans to a rice meal will greatly reduce your blood sugar levels after the meal, compared to eating rice alone. Rice is wonderful. It's easier to make healthy choices when you move towards a whole food diet. There are so many issues with processed foods. Some of these foods can be easily incorporated into your current diet. You can also make a huge difference in your blood sugar levels by swapping basmati rice for your white rice. Another swap or trade in your is your breakfast cereal. Choose eggs, Greek yogurt, or steel-cut oats instead. And remember to include beans and lentils in your diet for their powerful anti-diabetic properties. I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to this channel, give us a like, or ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, keep rolling strong. Have a great day.
Look to more Rolling Strong videos providing insights and tips dedicated to a healthier life on the road.